Hi y'all, it's Sky, and it's been a little while since we had a chat. So basically, I have not really been feeling like chatting to the camera like we're doing now. Maybe not like we're doing now, but maybe more of like the style we would do in the roundup videos. I just haven't really been feeling that lately. So that's why those have disappeared. Also, Nuggets snoring really loud, sorry. I have been thinking about doing a whip and chat maybe, but then I also feel like I don't have that many interesting things to say. So I've just put off doing that. Also, I do love doing unboxings, but then I've been saving up for Black Friday, and so I haven't been buying very much stuff to unbox on the channel, so it's just been kind of a little bit quiet here. So today what I thought we would do is I would just bring you along on a little day in my life. Me and Nugget are just hanging out. I did think that this was gonna be like a bright, sunshiny day, and I would take you guys with me for a little walk, but it has become kind of gloomy, and I don't know if it's gonna rain or not, so we will see if that actually pans out. But what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna work on my lovely diamond painting here. I'll get you closer up in a few minutes so you can see. I don't know how much you can actually see of what's done. I've kind of like this much done, maybe halfway, probably not even halfway, but I'm gonna try to put in some solid work today and get a little bit accomplished with my Halloween pug. This is from Diamond Art Club, if you didn't know. Artist is Marilyn Kazanave. Anyway, I hope you are having a nice cozy day just like I am, and I hope you enjoy coming along with me. As you can see, I diamond paint on a drafting table, which is very helpful for my neck and shoulders, but it comes with some added complications. What I'm doing now is lowering the small tray at the bottom and then adjusting the canvas to a good working level so I can clip it down on the side. That way the canvas isn't too high up, and also so it won't just slide right off the table. I am a single placer. I have tried multi-placing and it is much faster, but something about the repetitive motion of single placing is what really relaxes me. And yes, I do hold my tray the whole time I diamond paint. I know there are lots of solutions I could use so I don't have to do that, but I'm a creature of habit and it works for me right now. I always watch videos or listen to a podcast while I'm diamond painting. Today I'm watching the lovely Christiane Hare. If you want to see her complete this same kit, but like 20 times faster than me, I'll have a link to her video down below. weather cleared up and I was able to go to the nature trails near my house. We definitely don't get much fall foliage around here, but it's a beautiful area and there are plenty of changes to see in every season. It is much later. We had a nice dinner and then I spent some time with the kids for a while and now they are in bed. So it is time for me and Nugget to do our nighttime cuddles. I will probably read a little bit. I'm currently trying to I am trying to read the Lord of the Rings trilogy. I have read the first book several times and then never really made it through the second book, I don't think. So I've never actually finished it, but the first book is a reread for me. I'm working on that one now. And maybe I'll also take a bath. I don't know, but this is where I'm gonna close out this little day in my life. I don't know what Nugget is doing. Anyway, I'm very tired. It has been a very good day and I am glad that you guys joined me. So I will see you all in the next video. And Nugget has finally laid down. Maybe I can let you see him. There he is. Okay, you guys. See you next time. Bye.